Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about three of the most important candlestick patterns. First of all, before we start with the candlestick patterns, we need to understand how the charts actually work and how to identify a trend. We need to be able to identify a trend. Let me give you one example. Let's say this one here. What kind of a trend would you call this? This, my friends, in the forex market, we call it a range. This is a period in which nothing is really going on, it's just back and forth. Then moving right along, we find something like this. This trend right here is what we call a downtrend. It's when the market is moving steadily down, or it can even be extremely fast depending on the volatility of the currency pair. Then let me give you another example of this. Moving right along, we have an uptrend. As you can see, it starts from here and moves steadily upwards. It doesn't move down or it doesn't come back down. It continues moving up. And that, my friend, right there is an uptrend. Now moving right along, the three important candlestick patterns we're going to talk about. The first one is going to be the head and shoulders. The second is going to be the rectangle. And the third is going to be the flags. These three are what are going to define your trading career. They are what's gonna make your life much better when it comes to trading. Let's start off with a flag. Okay guys, let's identify our first flag. As you can see right here, it seems we might have found our first one already. Okay, let's identify this much closer. As you can see, the price action from here until the end of this flag had been ranging. It had continued to range and it touched the end, the bottom of the flag, but it ranged in between these two ends of the flag. Then if you look closer here on this side of the candles actually broke out of the flag, and this is your first sign that shows that there is a new breakout coming out from that pattern, and this should be your first sign to buy. And as you can see, right after it broke out from this bullish flag, it continued up into an uptrend, and this can be used in any chart. This is very important because it makes it easier for you to be able to see the charts and analyze it. This can be used in both bearish and bullish markets. The only thing you have to do is just reverse the way you use it. If let's say it's bearish, you use this way. If it's bullish, you just turn the flag upside down, then you continue to analyze. Moving right along, now we're going to identify a rectangle. A rectangle is used to identify something like a ranging market. Let me give you an example of one of these. This is a great example of a ranging market, because as you can see, the chart right here didn't do anything. It just kept moving up and down in this rectangle. This means that this market is in a range, and in a range you should not do anything, because after a range there is usually a large amount of volatility and some craziness in the markets that would make you lose all your money. So avoid trading during range. Then if possible, just wait
until you can find a proper setup, then you can start your trade. Okay guys, now we're on to our final chart pattern that will help you make money in the forex market, and that's gonna be the head and shoulders. Let me show you a way of identifying the head and shoulders. Okay, let's start off like this. This would be the left shoulder of the head and bottoms, and then this right here would be the left. This would be the bottom shoulder, or the top shoulder of the hidden patterns. And this would be the head, and this right here would be the other shoulder, the right shoulder. Then this. Okay guys, and for you to be able to identify these areas right here, you first need to find all the areas that would make a head and a shoulder, and a head and shoulder pattern. For you to do this, you need to find the tops of the pattern, like here and here. Then you need to find the bottoms of the patterns, like here and here. Then after you do that, to make sure that your pattern is actually correct, you need to find the head. This would be an area where price tried to move up but rejected, and before the lows and the highs of the tops or the shoulders. After you've identified these areas right here, you'll find that there would be a new uptrend or downtrend coming into play very soon. This would be your first sign to enter into a new position, because this would allow you to understand and to see what's really going on in the market. And these were the top 3 candlestick patterns that would help you make money in the market. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And if you want more help, please do watch the previous videos, because I know for a fact that you will find information that you need in your forex trading journey that will help you. And as always guys, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next